peace. Tuesday, and we're feeling better today. Woohoo! So I didn't do anything yesterday. Didn't go do cardio. I just went to bed and fell asleep. And I think that was a great decision because today I'm feeling better, not 100%, but I feel good enough to go do some cardio today. And yeah, just had a client check-in, and other than that, nothing crazy happened today. So either I will get you my workout. Oh no, I'm not training. I won't record a workout today because I'm just doing cardio, so that would make sense to record it because yeah, there's nothing crazy to see. But yeah, I'll probably pick up the camera tomorrow. And as you can see, I'm getting blonde again, so I don't know if my red hair era is coming to an end. But with the sun here and showering that often, I don't know if it makes sense to keep the red hair. And now that I'm getting a little bit more tanned, I actually like being blonde and having my natural hair color, but yeah, I don't know, we'll see. We will see. Maybe I'll go blue. Just kidding. Yeah, catch you tomorrow.
Go play some basketball in my backyard.
Okay, I want to see.
I'll make it happen.
Okay, awesome. And preparing for your daughter's birthday with food, that went pretty well, you said?
It went pretty well. I still had some cake.
Okay.
What the hell is this?
Oh.
And I just paid it and called it a day.
Oh, damn. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that was
That's
fun.
disappointing, obviously, yeah. I feel like The Walking Dead. Paracetamol it is, so let's pray that I'll feel better in a few days. We are back to life. Woohoo! At least to 80%. Being sick honestly sucks, but yeah, slowly feeling better. I think the worst thing for me is just not being able to do anything, like just feeling like an unproductive piece of shit. But yeah, it happens. I'm on my walk now, back to reality. And the funny thing is, every time where I am every time I am committed to something and I really want to make things work, like with YouTube, I was committed to upload a video every 2 to 3 days, and after a week or so I got sick. It was like, nope, you gotta rest, you're not doing this. So yeah, anyway, we can't change anything about it, we just can get healthy and better. So that's what we're about to do. I'm on my walk, did my check-in today. Did my check-in this morning and I dropped 1 kg. And yeah, uploaded my check-in photos, can blend it here. Not big of a difference to last week. And yeah, it's difficult for me to keep up with my diet, with my calories, because I'm just not hungry at all. Some days I was eating maybe 1,600 calories or so. So yeah, it's just just happens. I'll be fine in a few days, hopefully. So yeah, just a quick update. I'm on my walk, getting some steps in, and then I'll probably head to the coffee shop. And yeah. Alright, I am preparing my lunch, eggs and rice. Very basic AF, but yeah. Right, we are on work 2 for today. Yeah, sorry that I don't have anything crazy to share other than me walking and talking, but it's just not a lot happening right now, so this is all I can do for you. But I had a realization today, which is the magic you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. And I'm someone, if I'm not, like, if shit isn't completely hitting the fan, then I'm not operating at my potential, because I just think things aren't, like, bad enough, I guess. And once I reach a point where I feel like, fuck, now I gotta do something about it, that's where most of the time I realize that I didn't need any more skills or any more strategies. I just had to do the work. And I don't know why this happens to me so often still, but my mind plays a huge role in this. And the thing is, whatever you're afraid of doing is exactly what you should be doing. And I'm great at preaching this all the time to my clients and to my family and to whoever I speak to, but I'm not always great at this myself. So today was a great reminder that I just have to do the fucking work. Going to the gym is easier for me. Hitting my workouts, tracking my diet, it's easy for me. But things I haven't done consistently enough over a long enough period of time, that's where I always fall back into this trap of just not doing the work. So yeah, we're not perfect, but as long as we're aware of what's going on, I mean, I can't say that I wasn't aware of it, but I was probably just waiting for the big crash. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I have to share. I will get my last 5k steps in, and yeah, today is a beautiful day. And I guess as long as I can laugh about it, it's not too bad. So I have faith and belief that I'll get myself out of this situation. So yeah, stay tuned. It's never going to get boring.